Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50 and today's workout. Today we are doing a beginner 15-minute dumbbell workout. It's going to be a no repeat workout, guys, so if you're just starting out, you work it out with dumbbells, it's going to be a great way to introduce yourself to a variety of different exercises. 15 exercises, guys, 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. I am a little reluctant to call this a HIIT workout, even though the timers may indicate that. I just want you to really concentrate on completing good, solid reps, not necessarily completing as many reps as you can in those 45 seconds. So without any further ado, guys, let's get going right after this 5-second intro. Alright guys, welcome back. We're gonna start off with some lunges. Grab your dumbbells. Lunges are basically just a step forward. Try to get down, kneel down to the ground if you can. If you can't, that's quite alright. We'll get going. 3, 2, 1. Lunge forward and back. Nice and controlled movements. Forward and back. Keep it up and back. No rush. Like I said, concentrate on quality of work rather than the quantity of work. Stay with me. We have about 25 seconds left. Remember, 15 different exercises, 45 seconds of work, only 15 seconds of rest. We have about 10 seconds left. Three, 2, 1, and let's get it down on the ground. We're going for a chest press. So dumbbell chest presses. Get down on the ground. Put your hands all the way down. That's your blocking point so we do not get injured. And we're just going to go for 45 seconds of work. Ready? And let's go. 1. Straighten all the way up and down. If you're having shoulder problems of any sort, go to a neutral position. Twist the dumbbells to be parallel with your body. And then lay your triceps all the way down on the ground and press up. If you feel more comfortable doing regular dumbbell press that mimics a bench press, twist those dumbbells back to be perpendicular to your body. We have about 12-13 seconds left. Keep pressing. There we go. 3, 2, 1, and get back up on our feet. Next exercise is a reverse curl to a shoulder press. Make sure I don't hit the ceiling here. I am in my basement, which is quite low, and I believe I say this at every workout. 3, 2, 1. Reverse curl, and then press up. And nice and control. Reverse, up. Perfect. Keep it up. Reverse, up, and down. Up, and down. Reverse, up, settle in, press up, and down. 20 more seconds left. Keep it up. Come on. Work with me. Nice. 10 seconds left, guys. And press up. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Now we're going to go to a bent over row. We're going to do singles. So I want you to stand upright. Bring your butt back as you bend over. Keep your back as straight as possible. And get to a pretty comfortable position. And we're going to do singles. We're just going to roll. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and roll 1. Let go and roll the other one. Bring your weight back to follow the line of your leg. Put more stress on those lower muscles in your back. We'll work the upper muscles in the back a little bit later. Nice job. 15 seconds left. And last one. Perfect. Now we're going to go to what I call pick up or pull down. Pick up and put back. It's one of my favorite core standing core exercises, and I kind of include this in a lot of my workouts. I'm going to grab the weight, swing it over to one side, pretend you're putting it down on the other side. Ready? 2, 1, and let's go. Grab your weight, swing it over, and
put it down. And up and down. Up. Notice that I'm lunging forward or to the side. Up and down. Perfect. Up and down. It's about 25 seconds left of work. This one works pretty much your entire body here. Whew. Up, down, up. About 10 seconds left. Stay with me now. Notice I'm stopping in the middle a little bit, not just throwing the weights back. All right. From here, we're moving on to an RDL, which is a Romanian deadlift, if you weren't aware of that. Most commonly known if you Google it, or you'll see RDLs. Grab both weights, up, stand upright, and bend forward until you feel a good pull in the hamstrings, and sit, stand back up. Try to keep that back as flat as possible, shoulders back. Down, you can bend your knees a little bit. They don't have to stay locked. Feel that good solid pull in those hamstrings, and then get back up. Nice and slow and controlled. You'll quickly realize the slower you go, you will not need as much weight as you thought you would need for any of these exercises. Come on. 2, 1, stretch. All right, from here we're going to a chest fly. So let's get back down on the ground. We're going to do a fly movement. So weight up, and we're going to just go down. Let your arms stop you, and then back up. Ready? And let's go. Down and up. Use that floor as a brake. If you can't go all the way down to the floor for whatever reason, that's okay if you stop short. You'll notice maybe that towards the end of this 45 seconds, you will be able to go all the way down as you develop more of a stretch in your chest and your shoulders. Stay with me. You got 20 seconds left. Stay with me. 3, 2, 1, and last one. All right, let's get back up on our feet. From here, we're going to supinate row. So instead of having your arms over your dumbbells, you're going to bring your arms under your dumbbells, like you're holding a cup of soup. Bend over, and do that with both arms at once this time. Perfect. Keep rolling. Work that back and definitely work those biceps on this one. Try to keep that back as flat as you can. Notice my back is very rounded, but I am pushing and trying to constrict that back as much as I can without rounding my shoulders off on the way down. Doing the best that I can. I expect the same of you guys. So let's move it. We got about 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Perfect, and stand back up. From here we are going to go to single-legged RDL. So before when we did this, now if you can balance yourself on one leg while you're doing this, you're going to bring it and we're going to put it back and then bend down, all right? 3, and we're going to alternate legs. So back, down, and the other leg. Back, down, and up. Back, support yourself, keep your balance, nice and slow and controlled. Stay with me. Keep working those hamstrings, guys, and those glutes. And getting a solid workout today. 3, 2, 1, last one. All right, now we're going to try to kick back. So once again, a very similar position that we had during our rowing exercises. But we're going to bring these arms back, and then we're going to kick back to 1, and then come to kick back to the other one. All right, we're doing one at a time. Let's go back and kick back. and back. Try to lock your elbow or your arm all the way out basically to really make the tricep burn. Perfect. Stay with me, stay with me. You got 15 seconds. Three, two, one. All right. Now face me. I'm going to face you, and we're going to a good old-fashioned curl. You can work the triceps while working the biceps, right? I'm going to do it one at a time. 3, 2, 1, and let's curl. 45 seconds. Nice and control. Your elbows should pretty much stay still. They can come up a little bit at the very top of the motion. I don't want you swinging any sort of way. This is a bicep exercise, not anything else. Perfect, keep it up. Nice and slow and control. We have about 15 seconds left, so let's keep moving. Five seconds, guys, come on. 3, 2, 1. All right. Over here we are going to high row. So once again, now in a very familiar rowing position, but instead of keeping your arms back here, I want you to bring them up here. We're gonna work the rear delts on this one. Bent over, and like I said, up by your shoulders. High row. Squeeze, squeeze right here, and down. Squeeze, don't drop the weights, control them on the way down. Control the negative. Squeeze, and back down. Squeeze, and down. Squeeze, get those shoulder blades together. Ready? And here we go. Together, and control. About 15 seconds left, and control on the way down. Perfect, keep it up, keep it up. 5, 3, 2, 1, and last one. All right, put one dumbbell down. We're gonna go to the goblet squat. The goblet squat is just grab the weight like this. Put it in chest in front of you, get in a squatting position, and go down and back up. Notice I'm not bouncing up and down. I'm doing this as controlled as I can. Maximizing the time under tension when you're doing these exercises. Dumbbells generally have a tendency to be lighter, obviously than the barbell, so we just stay under load for a longer period of time. Perfect. A little less than 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. All right, let's get on the ground, guys. We're gonna go for a weighted crunch. You can use 2 dumbbells or you can use 1. This example, I'm just gonna use 1. Bring a dumbbell in front of you, point it straight to the ceiling, and just crunch up and down, up and down. If you find this being too heavy, just put it down on the ground and do it with no weights. But keep those arms up in the air. If you find it to be too light, you could be using 2 dumbbells for this. We have about 10 seconds left. Crunch and down. Up and down. 3, 2, 1. All right, and this is our last exercise, and we're going for a skull crusher. So move up a little bit so I can view a little bit better. I want you to lay down on the ground. Put the dumbbells behind you. Note the position that your elbows are in, and then pick them up and down. Try not to move your elbows. The elbows should not be vertical, they should be on an angle. And this weight should not come up all the way up here. It should stay on an angle. Just straighten your arms out and put it back up. Perfect. And down. Keep it up. You have 20 seconds left. Make those triceps burn. Up and down. That's what I want to see. And down. Up. Stay with me. Squeeze it up. 2 seconds. One. Let's do one more. And back down. All right. Let me hop back up. Hopping is a relative term, I guess. Anyway, guys, thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. This was our beginner 15-minute, no repeat dumbbell workout. I hope it was a great introduction to doing some dumbbell exercises if you haven't tried it before. Thanks for joining me today, guys. Don't forget, I have over 200 workout videos on this channel. Check some of them out. New workouts come out every Monday and Thursday. I'll see you back around, and thanks for joining me.